Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif on Thursday announced that Iran will supply 100 megawatts of electricity daily to Balochistan's Gwadar once the Polan-Gabd electricity transmission line project becomes functional. The Prime Minister made the announcement at a media briefing after he and Iranian President Seyed Ibraheem Raisi inaugurated the transmission line project in a marketplace at the Mand-Pishin border crossing point. State-run app reported that the line will play a pivotal role in meeting the energy needs of the region, including households and businesses, by bringing in an additional 100 megawatts of electricity from Iran. Separately, in an interview with Iran's official news agency IRNA, the premier stressed the importance of enhanced cooperation with Iran, saying the energy projects and border markets were emblematic of the vitality of Pakistan-Iran friendship. The Prime Minister said Pakistan and Iran were brotherly countries bound by deep-rooted religious, cultural, and linguistic ties. Both our governments are collaborating closely for the betterment and socio-economic uplift of our peoples. PM Shehbaz said the Mand-Pishin border marketplace and the Polan-Gabd electricity project were tangible manifestations of this resolve. They would also serve as a stepping stone for greater cooperation between our two countries, especially in the economic domain, he added. According to Information Minister Maryam Aurangzeb, the project was pending since 2009 and was completed in a record time of 4 months under the leadership of PM Shehbaz. She added that the project will unleash development, trade, business, and employment opportunities contributing to the future prosperity of the people of Gwadar and Balochistan.